So seriously, what happens here is family time is the best time. Whenever you're on vacations or you're outing or something, you never pay attention on your aches, discomfort, and the problems you're already in. But when you're with your parents and they already know about this posture education, the child is always going to learn it from you. You know. So the parent, as a parent, I tell my children to sit properly because I know the bad effects of bad posture. So if your parent has that education, you can always be away from this aches and dysfunction. But whenever you are on the family vacation, you will definitely not have anything. The problems never arises. See, whenever you're on vacation, you cannot come to us directly because you are like far away from this doctor. So you can try with ice packs or try to have a good posture. Don't try random exercises because they are going to make the dysfunction or pain worse. It is not going to help you. So you can either call us, we are just phone call away, or you can just wait for the symptoms to come down.